Is there anything that you want to cover from Kanto, like something that you really are excited about right now, or?
Yeah. I mean, on the mount side of things, we have, we're always developing new products on the mount side of the business. We just launched a mount called the R600. It's a recessed mount. What's really interesting about this product is that it can actually have a Samsung Connect or a Marantz small amp placed behind it in one box. So it doesn't require a second recessed box. So it's a really clean installation. We think that's going to be a hit with the integrator market.
I mean, that's going to be a huge thing because, a lot of these installers, they're having, they're cutting out the hole for that kind of stuff anyway. So if it's already just built in, that's,
that was kind of the goal for it. There's not too many products out in the market right now that allow you to kind of have everything in one, versus having to cut out a separate box for additional product.
Stuff we've been getting new lately has been the kind of like hide behind the TV and have a simple setup. You know what I mean? So that's perfect for that because, well, Samsung, a lot of these Samsung TVs anyway, they're coming with the One Connect box now, so it's all right there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, we were at CEDIA last year, and one of the things we got asked with our previous recessed mounts was, does the Connect box fit? Right? So, like I said, we take dealer feedback very seriously. So, took that to the drawing board and said, hey guys, let's create something that has can fit a Connect box, or and I know there's smaller kind of versatile mini amps that are coming out that can be placed behind a television. So. Can accommodate that with a really clean installation, right? So we're really excited for the R600. It'll be a killer SKU for the integrator market.